You know how IntelliSense helps out by giving little tips, and we don't have so many tips for our own classes. We can add that. We can, for example, before initialize here, we can press slash 3 times, and whatever we type between the two summary tags, which are XML tags, will be shown by IntelliSense. This is a good thing. You should comment a lot, especially with these summary tags, because they integrate into IntelliSense. Let me show you how it works. If we do like this, uh, sets up both graphics space and physics space. For example, I can make it one line. I like having stuff on one line. Okay, if we go over to engine now, and we go up to initialize, if we do the box, for example, and we go down to initialize, we get that sentence here with the typos and everything. Let's put initialize back in there. Okay. This is something that's really important. You should do this on all your methods. You should do it on, actually you should do it on everything you've got. It doesn't matter if it's a property or method. You can even do it on classes. So you can have a summary up here if you want. The only thing I've found that it doesn't work on, that is namespace. That one cannot have it. Otherwise you should put it on everything. There is one extra thing that you will run across. I'll show you if we go down to load graphics content. If you do it on a method that has parameters, then you get to first describe the load graphics content method, and then you get to describe each of the parameters. So this one takes a reference to the sprite batch. And takes a ref to the texture 2D. Okay. And these two will show up in IntelliSense as well. If we go down to this one, for example, I can write a new one. Scroll down a bit. This box, load graphics content. There you see the description of the method. And let's say that we pick this method. Then we get the first variable. So we describe each part, and it becomes much clearer both for us and if somebody's going to help out with the project. Sometimes it doesn't show up, and that is because IntelliSense has not yet updated itself. And in order to do that, you simply just do a compile or hit F6, and then it will update itself. There's another way to make comments too that can be used when it's not a summary of a method, for example. You can just make a slash and a star, and then you end with a slash. Should be stuck to the other one. Okay. Anything you type between these two, slash star and star slash, will be a comment. So here you can write whatever you want. For example, Um, good way to make an introduction, good way to make long comments. If you just want to make a short comment inside a method, for example, what the heck is this system random, then you can just hit it twice instead. Then you don't get that summary tag, and then you can just describe uh, which generates random numbers. Stupid comment, but I'm just trying to show you how it works. Now there is one more thing you can do. If you start up the help system, let me do that. And you find help on this bright batch, for example, that you find very useful. The members, that sounds interesting. Now what you can do is you can just drag and drop the URL or copy and paste it. Now you have a link inside here. I'll close up the help system, and if I control and click on this one, then I don't open the help system, I just get a new tab with the member information. I kind of like that. It's a smooth way to keep your data. So for example, our engine class is not too dissimilar from the your first XNA game tutorial that comes with MSDN help system. So it might be a good idea to have at the top somewhere here. You have a link to that page, for example. The reason why I'm showing this to you is because I will add comments to all methods before I pack this up and publish it. So when you open the source code files, the solution, then you will see comments all over the place. I won't show videos for that because it's kind of pointless. Okay. Should we do something more today? Yeah, I think I'll leave it at that. We can play with the mouse next time. I was gonna do some stuff with that, but I'd rather get this baby going. See you next time.